guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? So, Saturday ngayon, February 1st. So, pupunta kami sa Omo. Tama ba? Omo.
Omo Tepan.
Omo Tepan. So, teppanyaki yun. Na magluluto sila sa harap mo and may konting show. Sana ganun nga din kasi nakatry na kami ng ganito before sa Manitoba. So, ito first time namin kasi birthday ko tomorrow. Yun lang may pasok kasi si Iban. Kahit kanina may pasok siya. Pero sa Monday kasi is may pasok na rin ako. So, mas gusto ko mag-celebrate na tonight kaysa sa bukas para makapagpahinga pa. So, isa lang yung branch niya sa McLeod Trail Southwest. And halos 28 minutes, no? Halos 28 minutes yung biyahe namin papunta doon, half hour. Sasamahan nyo kami at i-share namin yung experience namin dito sa Omo Tepan.
Hello? You could cook anything. There's a show. They could tell you anything. And what do they do to you?
They're gonna cook in front of you.
They're gonna cook in front of you. Today it feels like -22 and it's cold. Look over here. It's cold. See? So, bundle up, okay? Okay.
So, ayan, nabalutan na naman ng snow dito sa Calgary. Kasi 2 weeks nang walang snow dito. Natunaw na, gawa ng Chinook nga, na galing sa mga bundok. Yung warm wind. So, ayan, may snow na naman tayo ulit dito sa Calgary. Pero na-miss din natin yan. Kasi sabi ko nga, na-miss, si Kian gusto niya mag-toboganing. Pero hindi kami makapag-toboganing kasi pag mag-off na kami, wala nang snow kasi ang bilis matunaw ng snow dito. Pero ngayon kasi, it's gonna be -2 digits for a week.
It's feeding like
So, hindi yan matutunaw. So, hopefully makapag-toboganin kami one of these days. Nawala na nga yung fog kanina at kahapon. Sobrang foggy pa din. Kaya, buti naman. Yung palang sa mata ni Kian, kung nakita nyo nagkakuliti siya first time. I-warm compress na lang namin mamaya ka-uwi.
First time! Look at this! First time! It's gonna be Mommy, it's starting today, right?
Yeah, it started today. Dito na kami, guys. Ito na yun. Omo Tepan. Wala kaming reservation, so hopefully meron naman. Ayan. Ayun. Lakad na tayo, guys. Hopefully may available. Nakalimutan natin magpa-reserve. Yeah? Ito pala yung drive-thru. Katabi niya yung may drive-thru na Vietnamese grill. Ay, banh mi. Ayan o. Drive-thru yan. Na banh mi. Hi! Do you accept walk-ins by chance? We don't have reservation. 4 of us.
4 people. Let me see what we can do. Okay, guys? Just have a seat over here.
Thank you.
Try my best.
Sabi nila, magantay muna kami. Hindi sure kung may available. So, we'll see. Busy pala sila kapag Sabado. Sa bagay. So, guys, inupo kami dito sa gitnang section. And then, mag-aantay kami dito ng half hour. Pwede kang mag-order ng mga appetizer habang nag-aantay. Pero baka mabusog kami kasi half hours napakabilis lang. Buti half hour lang yung waiting. Otherwise, hindi ko alam kung saan kami tatambay. So, yun. Need ng reservation Sabado ngayon.
Or name my couple know for me. We would just like to order the tepan.
Teppanyaki. I think we'll just
okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, ayan guys, yung teppanyaki combos. Ayan. And pwede mag-order nga ng mga appetizers. Tsaka cocktails. Ayan. Dami. Daming options.
Kada na madami yung tepan eh.
Oo.
Yeah.
Ito yung classic, teppanyaki. Tapos, ayan yung wagyu steak tepan. May promo sila ng Thursday, tsaka may eat all you can sila eh. Tuesday yata. Kaya lang, tapos na may birthday ko nun. Pero yun sana yung mas okay. Ayan guys, finally na-take in na rin kami. Uwan na.
Kami na kayo ni Mami.
Nakaupo din. Oo, dito kayo na. Ayun o, kasama na kami yung family of four. Ito na lang. Ang sobra. Guys, nakaupo na rin kami after half hour nga, sakto. Pantayin lang namin. Saka buti hindi kami big group. Saka sana marinig nyo ako mamaya. Ito si Ian. Ian! May nagkakanta ng happy birthday. Siguro nag-celebrate din yung iba dito. Ano yung order namin? Pare-pareho kami ng order na New York steak and it's either chicken, beef, or shrimp. So magantay na lang kami. Hindi ko alam kung paano yung blocking or reservation dito since hindi kami nakapag-reserve, nag-walk-in kami. Unfortunately, may available. Okay guys, una is yung salad and miso soup. Yours is that one.
That one?
Yeah.
I'll blow.
Kain na kami muna guys. Ito muna talaga kasi 30 minutes kami nagantay. That's yours, the salad. Ay! Ay, muna natin yung soup. Ito muna ako. Ito na yung nagagawa sa salad. Ito na.
And Mami, happy birthday, sweet 16.
Ito na guys, starting.
Bye-bye. Alright. Good evening, welcome to my mouth winner, Chef tonight. Alright, ready?
Kaya yung ano natin, magpe-perform.
Ready? Happy birthday! Good! Wow, Jackie Chan. Helicopter. Spinning, right? Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay, look this one. Don't cry. Ready? It's a big fire. I'll watch the ride. Ready? Happy birthday! Okay, egg show. Look at the egg. I'm just kidding. One, two, and hook on. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Wow, grab a spoonful.
Where's the egg?
Turn the egg look. That's a flower. That's a baby boy. Where's the other egg? Where's the other one?
Where's the other egg?
It's a chicken. It's a chicken. Oh, there's a baby chicken. This one, mommy chicken.
Gutom na talaga ako, guys. Kaya magsusok muna ako habang niluluto pa yung fried rice. At saka itong salad. Gutom na ako. Hangry na hangry.
Who said it?
Okay. Wow.
Can I go to the...
Happy birthday! Oh, for the baby girl. Happy birthday to you. Still alive. All right. Make some fire one more time. There we go. Gasoline. Oh, happy birthday, mommy. Want to shake my hands? Shake my hands. Happy birthday. Don't try to settle. Ready? 1, 2, and happy birthday to you. No, the volcano, right? Happy birthday. Hey! You want some Coke? You want some Coca-Cola for you?
You got me!
Happy birthday! Pasigaw-sigaw.
Ito daw for steak.
For vegetable and seafood.
Yun pala sa seafood and vegetable. Ayun.
This is for vegetable.
Apoy na rin dun sa kabila. Lakas ng apoy. Tikman natin yung sauce na ginger. Maasim-asim na.
Okay.
Maasim pa tayo. I don't like it.
Here we go. That's your Japanese and the Alberto Wagyu. Alright? You're gonna cook it?
Ayun guys.
Okay.
Nakuha ko pala to yung sampler ng Wagyu sa email guys. Pag binigay nyo yung email nyo, bibigyan kayo ng Wagyu sampler. Ayan siya guys. Okay. Ayun, sinashare ko lang sa inyo. Madami pala yung serving nila, no?
Okay, you're gonna cook first your Alberto Wagyu and the Japanese Wagyu.
Ayun, no? Yay! Matitikman na rin.
Wait, can I?
Oh, boiled, buddy. You want boiled? Alright, Alberto Wagyu. This one is the Japanese Wagyu.
Wow! Salamat! Ito yung Alberto Wagyu and Japanese Wagyu. Ayun, no? Tingnan namin yan.
Baby broccoli, we're gonna make some games and open your mouth, Daddy. 1, 2, one try. Salmon. Open your mouth. Broccoli. Open your mouth. Ready? 1, 2, and... Okay, beef.
So, naluto na yung beef nila. Try natin. Masarap. Manamis-namis, guys.
Over there, the lights have some smoke.
Yeah, it's a smoker. Ito na yung steak namin. Salamat. Yun, medium well.
Medium well.
Salamat. Saan kaya kayo tayo?
And medium well.
Medium well.
Try this one.
Try mo muna.
It's hot. It's hot. Careful, careful.
Ito yung pagkain ni Mamsi. Chicken and beef. And nag-white rice si Mamsi. Ma, gusto mo nito? Ako. Ayaw mo siya. Then ako yung New York steak pala, tsaka chicken. Ako New York steak and beef. Si Kian salmon. Isa lang yung sa mga bata eh. Then si Ivan is New York steak, tsaka beef din. Pareho kami. Kainan muna. May maingay din dun eh. Maingay daw talaga dito, sabi niya sa amin. Lalo daw pagpasara na. Gagawa daw siya ulit ng fire bago sila umalis. Ayun.
Alright, one more time. Okay, gonna sing happy birthday. All together. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to both of you. That's for you, honey. And for you, baby girl. Touch, touch. I'm just kidding. What? Oi! Don't try to go.
Lalapang mo. Medyo na bad trip lang si Kian kasi hindi niya nasa lunga. But it's okay, Kian. So ito daw yung sauce niya. Man natin. Ano mas masarap ang medium well, no? Oo nga. Binibenta nila itong sauce na nakita ko sa website. Well, para lang sa amin guys, mas masarap yung steak nito kaysa din sa dekeg, no? Yung sa dekeg mas dry dyan. No? Masarap yung steak nila. Masarap guys, yung sauce nila. Gusto mo? Pag dumating yung baba. Ay, oh.
Chicken and ice cream is included in your meals. Could I interest you in anything for later?
Yeah, what ice cream do you want?
Chocolate.
Soft chocolate.
Chocolate.
Green tea for myself.
Yeah, of course.
Anong ice cream kayo? Hindi ito. Ayun, so kasama guys yung ice cream dito. So may chocolate, vanilla, matcha, tsaka mango na flavor.
Chocolate ice cream.
Masarap ang grilled vegetable, Mamsi. Masarapan si Mamsi sa grilled vegetable. Gusto ko nga. Kain muna kami kasi papaalisin na kami sa Japanese Wagyu. Again, libre lang to kasi nag-sign up ako. Ice cream na si Kian eh. Ice cream? Masarap. Malambot kasi manipis yung. Thank you. Manipis kasi yung cut, kaya masarap. And ito pa yung isa. Nakalimutan ko anong klaseng Wagyu yun. Basta Wagyu. Malambot, no? Naghati-hati kami. Sayang kasi libre lang. Yung libreng ice cream, vanilla si Ma'am, si Matcha ako. Ayan na si Kian. Saka si Ivan, chocolate din. Binigyan na rin kami ng mga to-go boxes kasi hindi namin ito mauubos. Lalo si Kian. Hindi niya masyadong bet kasi bata pa yun eh. Happy Meal. Bilan na lang namin Happy Meal mamaya. One, two, three. Yay! Thank you. Mag-picture kaya tayo. Gusto smoky yung water. May free pala. Yay! Guys, ang verdict, sobrang sarap. Na-try na namin to yung sa Winnipeg na teppanyaki, pero para lang naman sa amin, kanya-kanya naman tayo ng panlasa. Mas nagustuhan namin to. Mas matagal lang yung show nung sa Winnipeg kasi ito mabilisan lang. And then, parang after mabilisan na kain na lang, tatanungin ka na ng dessert mo. Kasi by reservation nga to. Hindi ko alam kung 1 hour lang naka-reserve or 1 and a half. Pero overall, satisfied. Sobrang sarap lahat, pati yung dessert. And ibigyan kayo ng take-out boxes sa mga hindi nyo mauubos. So, babalik kami dito for sure. Guys, nagulat kami. May libreng, kaya pala pinicturean kanina. Tapos may chopstick pa na ganito. Wow! And then may loyalty reward pa sila. Nakakatuwa! No! Ang ganda oh!
This is yours!
Nice! So ayun, sobrang sulit talaga yung celebration ng birthday dito. Baka bumalik pa tayo ulit dito for sure now. Ang ganda nga eh. Sakto. So ayun, sobrang happy naman eh. Lahat ng mga staff dito very accommodating. Reviewhan ko to sa Google reviews kasi sobrang ganda ng service nila talaga. Oh, let's wait what you're gonna win. Wow! $10! Yay! Huh? $10. Thank you. Have a great night. Bye. Thank you. Labas lang namin dito sa Omo Japanese Teppanyaki Kitchen. Sobrang happy namin. Aba, may limousine dito. Ano? Ito ba yung pinarentahan mo, ko? Salamat, ah. Tingnan ko nga. Guys, oh. Jeep siya na, limousine. Baka yung mga, Calgary Flames kanina.
Daddy!
Guys, sobrang sulit talaga ng food doon. Highly recommended talaga siya. Ang success naman tong early birthday celebration ko. Hindi ko na i-reveal yung edad ko. Tumigil na akong mag-count ng 25 char. Basta hulaan nyo na lang. Ayun, so na-enjoy naman namin yung pagkain doon as in. And may pa-free picture pa sila, tsaka chopstick, nakakatuwa naman. Sobrang sarap din ng food. You get what you pay for, sabi nga. Kahit alin siguro yung orderin mo doon dahil masarap yung sauce nila, sobrang sulit talaga. Approve ba sa lahat? Yay! How about you, Kian? Dilim sa likod. Ang lamig, grabe guys. So, yun, salamat sa panonood sa vlog namin today. And we'll see you in our next one. Bye!